Good afternoon, everyone. Today we'll be doing double angle identities, and also the same as the compound angle identities, you'll also be given these double angle identities. So you do not need to worry and stress about knowing all of these things by heart, because they'll be given to you. So in an exam or a test, just go to the back of your question paper, you'll find these things. The most important things is for you to know how to use and apply these identities. But then with the double angle identities, you might also come across questions where it's a mixture of double angle identities and compound angle identities. So you have to know how to use both of them. So let's quickly look at the question. The question says you have 5 cos theta is equals to minus 3 between 0 degrees and 180. Find cos 2 theta, sine 180 degrees minus 2 theta, and see tan 2 theta. So how you approach this question is that you look at what you're given and its restrictions. So first things first, I'll say simplify whatever you are given there. So this can be written as cos theta is equals to minus 3 over 5. But then you are told that in the Cartesian plane, this triangle you are trying to draw, it must be between the first and the second quadrant. And you can see here that cos theta is what? Is negative. So between the first and the second quadrant, where is cos theta negative? It's in the second quadrant. So it means the triangle you're supposed to draw must be in the second quadrant. This will be your theta. Cos is what? Is adjacent, so it's minus 3 over hypotenuse, so here is 5. So if you were to apply the Pythagoras theorem, you'll find out that this length here is 4. So now, since you have all of this information, you can now start answering your questions. The first question, they said they want cos 2 theta, right? Cos 2 theta is what? You can choose either one of this, because they're all cos 2 theta, cos 2 theta, cos 2 theta, and cos 2 theta. But I'll choose to use this one. So what do I have here? I have 1 minus 2. What's my sine theta? Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so my sine theta is 4 over 5 with the squared. So here you'll get minus 7 over 25. That's your answer to question A. And then question 2b, it says I must find sine 180 degrees minus 2 theta. Fine. Here you can see that you have both double angle and compound angle. It's compound angle because we are adding two things inside these two brackets. But then it's also a double angle identity. Why? Because we have this 2 theta. So when it comes to such problems, you firstly have to apply one of them. So now I'll say it's better if we start by applying the compound angle identity. So this one is the same as this one here. So it's going to be sine 180 degrees cos 2 theta minus cos 180 sine 2 theta. Right, and then from there on, remember that the sine graph at 180 degrees is 0. So this whole thing will be multiplied by 0. Also remember that the cos graph at 180 is what? It's minus 1. So all of this will disappear. You'll be left with 1 sine 2 theta, which is also the same as sine 2 theta. So then from then on, you can simply use this double angle identity to find your answer. So it's 2 sine theta cos theta. Well, when you arrive at this stage, you simply go back to your triangle and you take out your answers. Sine theta is 4 over 5. Cos theta is minus 3 over 4. The final answer you'll get is minus 24 over 25. You have your answer. The final question says that we have to find tan 2 theta. How do you do this one? Firstly, you know that any tan is simply a sine over a cos. So this is the same as sine 2 theta over cos 2 theta. And then from here on, you can apply your double identity for the sine. You'll get 2 sine alpha cos alpha all over. For cos 2 theta, as you can see, you have 3 options. You have 3 options, so you have to choose one. So I'll choose this one. So I'll write cos squared theta minus sine squared theta. And then from then on, I just go back to my triangle and I plug in the values. This one is 4 over 5. This one is minus 3 over 5. All over. This one is minus 3 over 5 squared minus into 4 over 5 squared. And the answer you'll get 24 over 7. And that's how you get your answer. So yes, that's how the questions in this section of trigonometry grade 12 CAPS syllabus may be asked. You may be given a question where you have to know how to apply both the double angle identities and the compound angles identities. So if you appreciate the content, please comment, like, subscribe and share. Thank you.